Seven game will be playing between Cordillerans and the team. Basket, no foul. Foul on jersey number 24. One shot for President. Jersey number 29, pass to Agua with pass to 3. Rebound by AJ. AJ dribbling the ball. AJ. Loses it, but recovered by number 5. We drive to the back end. No good. Rebound by jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 8. Blocked by jersey number 16. Steal by number 8. Drive. No good. Jersey number 15. Basket by jersey number 15. Jersey number 5, losing the ball. Run. Foul. Foul on Cordillerans, jersey number 7. First personal foul, first team foul. Steal by jersey number 7. Lays up. Easy basket by jersey number 7. Basket by jersey number 7.
Second half underway here. Cordillerans in the stands. One now with the ball. All the way with a
Kick ball by jersey number 2.
And here comes the transition, trying to keep it alive for the Stags and Cubs. Off to Beauty.
Agua,
Off. For a wide open touch. Not quite going to go back to 16. Not quite with 3 of his own. Not quite there. Pass it right behind.
Basket by jersey number 7.
Here comes Haskell now with good play. Finds someone to pass it off to. Comes in there in transition. Manages to get it later.
Rebound by jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 16. Run.
Lands out.
Looking. 29. Using the ball. Right. No good. Rebound by God. For 3. Agua. With the ball. 5 to 3. Agua. 3 points. Agua.
And the second one is good. Here comes the now for the Stags. Off. Yeah, just one for 3. One knocking down. Carlson tries to rise up and keep the ball away. Here comes Wayne for the Renegades.
We got a
Wayne going to find lead. He's going to kick it off back behind to Haskell.
jersey number 5.
Here they come again on the Renegades. Inbound by Haskell now. Off the way. 1-on-1 here. Got the line. They're going to go to his left. Pick it off back in behind by John Logan. 5 and 3. Not quite there on target. Rebound by
Drive.
Land.
Back down.
Pass it off, but was unsuccessful in doing so. So Larnavich should check back into this game for the Stags. Carson to win now. Finds Newby. Fire through the zone. Not quite get the shot off.
Cordillerans ball.
Tried to pass it off to Wayne. It was picked off by Carson. Carson goes for a jam. Rises up and gets the jam. It's Nick Carson.
Wide to three. It's an air ball.
I think we got a Sedlanovic going to turn around and fade. And that shot's good for the lead. Sedlanovic now. Going to dribble this one up.
Deck for three.
Behind the back, trying to pass it off. But Cook was picked off by Haskell. Here comes Wayne now. For the red, pass it off to Delta. Delta gets it. In transition on the red against the lead. And they retake the lead in this one. Here comes Newby. Off to Sedlanovic. Slide into the turnaround spin move. So he won't count.
He got the ball.
Dango checks back into this game as well for Stags.
Shooting foul.
Here comes Mann. Pass it off to Lee. Right at the foul line. Gets it to drop. They extend their lead out to three. Other Renegades. Carlson. Going to find Dango. Fire a three, not quite there. The ball's still alive and going to get it on the pass in Douglas. Here comes Haskell. One-on-one with Sedlanovic. Contact there. Going to finally down by one-on-one with Newby. Going to fire a mid-range, and that one's not quite there. It's still going to be Renegade's ball. Lee win off down low to Haskell. He's got Sedlanovic on the turnaround. Put it up and Cook. It was Newby with the rebound. Here comes the Stags again. Off to Douglas. Douglas thought about the pump fake. Going to put it up down low and a bucket going down. Travel ball on Douglas.
Starts in the red block. Wait.
Wayne talking about off to Delmo. Finds Lee. Going to put up a mid-range and try and hustle for his own rebound, but it's rebounded by Carson.
Reminder of Carson.
Carson back in down. Instead it's Sedlanovic trying to put up a three. Sedlanovic wide open. His first one of the game. Here comes Haskell.
Blue ball.
Back off to Lee. Put it up and that one's good for Lee. 41 apiece here on fourth move between the Stags and the Renegades. Carson. One-on-one, trying to go through traffic. And it's tripped up momentarily.
Abua. Coba Babo. 5 to 2. Tinggal Babo
This
dulu.
one kicked on by Wayne, by the inbound from Carson. Wayne all the way to the rim. Gets the bucket. And they retake the 2-point lead in this one. Not the Renegades. Newby now. With a screen from Dango. Pass it off to Carson. Carson. One-on-one with Haskell. Back off to Newby. Newby all the way stuck in traffic. Couldn't get the layup. Here comes Wayne. Behind the back comes Sedlanovic. The finish is even better.
5 to Babo.
4-point lead for the Renegades. Newby. One-on-one with Haskell.
One shot.
What about the three? Takes the dribble. Cuts in. Blocked by Lamb. Put up again by Dango. Sedlanovic. Signs of life. Can't keep. And a foul from Sedlanovic.
Shooting foul. Jersey number.
Lamb to bring this one up.
Second personal foul.
Lamb.
Third.
All the way through. Can't quite get it to go. Here comes Carson now. Carson bringing it up. 1-3. Trying to take the ball, but good. 2 free throws coming up.
Last throw for jersey number 7. Bucket. Jersey number 7. 42-29. 42.
Okay, the first one is Carson.
Easily basket by Ethan.
And the second one is good. Back to a 3-point lead. Back on the next. Haskell.
Turnover.
The contact lead now.
2 seconds by
Everyone can find land. Charging forward, put up the layup. And 2 free throws coming up for land.
Return for timeout 30. Timeout.
Can't quite get the first one's land. Second free throw coming up. Approaching a minute to go. Can't quite get the second, but it was Lee underneath who managed to get the ball back. Carlson. Gonna force the three, not quite there. Rebounded by Douglas of the Stacks. Off to Danger. Danger off disadvantage. Lee right behind him. Gonna go all the way, chuck up a floater, and 2 free throws coming up disadvantage.
Drop to the border, boys.
Can't quite get the free throw to go. It's Simonic. Can't quite get a set on either.
15 ball to the ball pass to
3/4 time is the Renegades lead. This one 47 against the North Melbourne Stacks.
basket by jersey number 8. For the right. Mohalo, basket by Mohalo. Abu, pass to jersey number 5. Abamo takes shot. Traveling by Abamo. Turnover. Prestige ball. Steal again by jersey number 8. Steal again by jersey number 25. Then by the break. Now good. Rebound by Yasas. Steal again. No good.
One more quarter of action here between Stacks and the Renegades. The ball fire is fast. Carlson down low. That one won't count.
Basket by jersey. No timeouts and substitution in the last 2 minutes.
Here comes Lamb. In transition now, going to bring it up for the Renegades. Force himself all the way through traffic. Going to fight for his own rebound. He gets that one to drop. 49-42. Renegades lead this one. Off, downloaded Newbie, going to put up a floater. Can't quite get there.
Jersey number
2 free throws coming up. And a foul for the Renegades. Halfway to the second. And it's the lively slide to the rebound. He's a line on the back. Summers to the front cigars now. Off to Newby. Ball movement on point here for the Stags. Carlson going to fire one up. Shot right. One count. Ball stripped off from Lee. It's still going to be renegade ball. And Sal's coming back into this game. He's Pierre for the Stags. Banged up on his fourth foul of this game. Lamb forced himself all the way to the ring and can't quite get the finish. And here comes Carlson now for the Stags. Trying to keep them alive in this ball game. Carlson's one-on-one with Wayne. Now pass it off to Pierre. Pierre down low to Cigars. Off to Lee. Carlson in the jam! Down low with Carlson. Making an impact when the man's motion. 49 plays 44 in favour of the Renegades. Sides alive for the Stags. And Lamb now works his way all the way down low when he gets there. And he gets a finish 51 plays 44. Cigars now. One-on-one with Haskell. Going to find Pierre. Wide open for three. Going to put it up. That's good for Pierre. Lethal from beyond the arc. The ball just stripped loose ever so momentarily. But instead, Slam keeps it alive. And here comes Haskell. And a right for left-hand layup, and that was good. Still got the lead here. Other Renegade 53 plays 47. Newby in traffic. And a foul coming up on Haskell. It's the fourth one of the game. Newby with a wide open three, not quite there, and Carlson with the putback. Here comes Wayne, one-on-one now with some line. Rich going to wait for the teammates to come, lead out, one for the Morgan, and Benji Longer. And a tech foul on Lee of the Renegades.
Blue ball, restricted ball, restricted.
And Carlson at the line gets the first one to drop.
Still by Dr. Hunt.
Lee back to three. Here comes the Stags now, who have the advantage within the numbers. And Carlson forced himself all the way to the rim, and the game is back for one.
Turnover.
53 plays 52, timeout call on the Renegades. But the Stags have momentum.
Foul on blue, jersey number 39. Third personal foul on blue, jersey number 39. jersey number 24. Third personal foul on the
We lost the ball momentarily, and keeping it alive is Douglas. It is a 3-on-5. Renegades are down to 3 players. Stags have the advantage. Can they capitalize here on court 2?
the drive! Mahalo basket by
Carson off to Carson. Carson fire a 3. Can't quite get it. And the rebound was there. And the Stags try to keep it alive. Stefanovic tried to keep it there, but couldn't.
No basket for Ramos.
Clock winding down. 53 plays 52.
Pass to jersey number 7 with pass the 3. Basket by jersey number 7.
Gonna try and do his best. And it was a screen for a foul on Haskell.
Pass to jersey number 79. 4 to 3. No good.
Haskell, number 3, has been found out of this game.
Substitution.
Carson to inbound. Unity back off to Carson. Carson gets a hit and the lead back with the stats. The numbers advantage is in their way. Here comes Lee. Trying to draw the contact with Carson. Here we go. Lee to inbound. 1:33 left to play in this game. Lee off the land. Land now. All the way to transition.
Still by AJ.
And a foul on Douglas.
Oh, you're right. No good. Jersey number 8. No good.
Lead to inbound. Off to Haskell. Haskell put up. No one was good. Carlson off to Newby. Going all the way to the rim and gets it to go. It's Jared Newby. 56 plays 55, a 1-point game. Wayne. Here he comes. Full steam ahead. Gonna put it up. Can't quite get there. Rebounded by Newby. The numbers advantage for the Stags. Carlson. Gonna stop and retreat. Instead finds Newby all the way down. No try to get it, but he puts it back and he gets the points. A 3-point lead. 58 plays 55. Clock winding down, 50 seconds to go. Lee and Carson tried to reach back in behind, but couldn't hit the light.
Back to the ball.
Lee at the line. He can't quite get the first free throw. Second free throw is good.
Mahalo.
Back to 2. 45 seconds to go in this game. Carlson to bring it up for the Stags. He's going to dribble this one out. Off to Newby.
With a long 2.
Newby. Just going to hold on to this one. Shot clock 1. All the way to the rim and gets that one to go. The flush finish for Jared Newby. Lee is going to get trapped. And the ball is still with the Renegades.
Take ball. Cordillerans 4. AJ taking a 3. And hard is 3. No good by AJ.
All those in the lead, keeping it alive momentarily for the Renegades. Stefanovic in transition. Douglas off to Carlson, off to Zingard, who put up the pump fake, but that one's good. Clock winding down, waiting to put up the half-court shot. That one will go. After half-court contest, down to 3 players. It is the Stags who get the win. Only by 4 points, 62 to 50. Win for the County Insurance Brokers North Melbourne Stags.
Rebound by jersey number 29. Pass to jersey number 26. Jersey number 26 drive. He got foul. Foul on jersey number 2. Abamo fires the three. Abamo gets the 3. Down right. Open. Rebound right there. Left to Abu. Abu up. Basket by Abu. Hand on to the right. Easy shot. Next substitution. Abamo bola. Number 16. Dead. Lost it and lost it. Substitution, right? Substitution. Traveling violation on jersey number 29, Cordillerans ball. Jet for three. No. the foul. Blocking foul on blue number 26. 54. Cordillerans. Still kaya bata. Pushing foul on jersey number 24. Fourth personal foul on Ramamo. Warning. Turnover. Cordillerans ball. Atakan. Right. AJ for three. AJ missed again. Missed again. Missed again. And busted by Mr. Ball time on Cordillerans. Time out! Cordillerans. Warning on jersey number 29.
And the ball is up between the Razorbacks and the Melbourne Nets. And here comes Graham Jr. off to Kimball earlier in this game. That put up a three early on is brilliant. And come in transition, the Razorbacks trying to put it, but couldn't. For Trevor. Now. Early on, and that one's good for the lead. And that was three for the Nets. Wise up the three, but couldn't quite get it up. Here comes Williams again. Off to Ziad. Ziad trying to put it up and gets it to go for the Nets. Early 5-point lead early on. Here comes Jack one. Passing it around to Flores. Flores 1-on-1. He's running Junior. On his left, trying to stop. It does. Still taking the ball line. Put up the floater. Good down. And instead, gets that one to drop. Is Galway. Kimball. Off to Williams. Back off to Kimball. Kimball thought about a three. Second that pass back off to Williams. Malik now for three. And it's rebounded by Old Sharp. Jack one now. Gonna settle for three. Not quite there. Rebounded by Kimball. Off to Williams. Williams, the dribble in between his legs. Gonna kick it back up to Kimball. Kimball right at the top of the three. Not quite there. Rebounded by Williams. Off to Malik. Malik gonna fly up. Williams floated up. Gets the touch. Flores now. Bring it up. All the way to the ring. Can't quite finish it up. And it's a finish. And a good one by Galway.
From the man all alone. Easy basket.
Malik. Put up a three. That one's good for Malik. The Nets are feeling it early on in this one. Jack one. Gonna bring this one up. 1-on-1 out with Malik. Screen from Galway. And pass it off to Flores. Flores now 1-on-1 with Williams. Gonna put up a three. Not quite there. Jack one trying to get up there. Galway. And the ball just went loose. Kimball. Gonna put it up. And that is good. Transit Kimball. Go on. To bring it up. One more. Ball. Good running around. Trying to keep it alive. Gonna pass it on. Keeps it alive. Flores off the cover shuffle. 1-on-1 with Malik. Thought about the three. Pass it off to Galway. Back off, shot clock winding down. Not quite there.